Good morning, one and all. I am Saloni, and today I have brought the public speaking activity where the 5 words that I have written on the board, where I want to just try any of 5, and I want you to also implement the same thing how you can speak. So before I start further, I would like you to please stay connected until the end of the video so that you can get the access of it and you can also implement in your life in order to enhance your own English. So without getting further delay, let's get started. So as you can see that there are 5: problem, struggle, criticism, confidence and failure. So these are 5 words that I have taken in order to show you to do this activity. This is the most effective and impeccable activity where you can learn a lot of things. Means normal speaking is the different and speaking in front of the public, that is the different. Means generally most of the people they think that public speaking means I have to present in front of the million, even 100,000 people. It's not like this. If you are communicating with single person, this is also called the public speaking, where you will try to express and articulate yourself so beautifully and so clearly and properly. That's called the public speaking. Means you will add your own emotions while articulating the things. So let's get started. So I just want to take the problem. Most problem which is really important and part and the parcel of our life. So let's get started. Problem. Everybody has the problem in their life. Even I have problem, you have problem, we all have the problems in life. Most of the people they have the problem regarding finance, they have the health problem, they have the family problem, they have the personal problem, they have the professional problem, they have the different types of the problem, and problem makes the people stronger as well as weaker if you are unaware about it. Generally problem is a gift. Without problem we would not grow in our life. So my dear, if you get the problem in your life, you don't worry about that. Simply learn to deal with the problem. Whenever problems take place in our life, it wants us to be stronger. It wants to make us dependent rather than being dependent on others. If you have some sorts of problem in your life, and if you realize that that is the problem which has taken the place in my life, so instead of thinking in the pessimistic way, you just have to think it into the optimistic way, and that problem will make you stronger and you will easily deal with that. But nowadays what the people do it, whenever they get into the problem they lose their hope, they lose their head, they started being panic, they started giving up. So when any problems comes in your life, at that point of the timing you have to remain be hopeful, because you have to remember the law of attraction. The law of attraction is one word that can transform yourself. The way you think in your mind, it is going to get into the action of that. If you think positively, it brings the positivity in your life, it brings the positive outcome in your life. But if you think in the negative way, the negative outcomes are going to be taken place. So my dear, today I request all of you, whenever you are going to be the part of any types of the problem, you just remember one thing in your life. There is no things where the problems will not be there. Whether you are rich, poor, everybody has the problem. So simply instead of giving up, you just have to deal with the problems. You just have to deal hopefully and honestly, so that you can even get the different types of the experience, and that experience will transform your character. Nowadays you all are the English learners, so when you start learning English, that times you have the different types of the problem. You have the anxiety, you have a lot of problems, you have the fear. So when you have some fears at that point of the timing, you do not try it, you just live in the between. And if you live in the between, you can't become the fluent speaker. So if you get any problems regarding sinus and hesitation, discontinuity, the social criticism, judgment, so many problems are there. So you will be affected badly. So instead of focusing on the problems, why don't you focus on the solutions? Wherever is the problem, there is the solutions. So I would like to wind up while saying that first observe the problems, what types of problem you are, and try to find out the solutions. And when you get the solutions, automatically it will affect you. That's all from my end. Thank you.